The motivational story of Malcolm X's conversion to Islam is a testament to the power of personal transformation, spiritual awakening, and the pursuit of truth in the face of adversity. Born Malcolm Little on May 19, 1925, in Omaha, Nebraska, he would later become one of the most influential civil rights leaders and advocates for social justice. Malcolm X's early life was marked by hardship and struggle. Growing up in a racially segregated America, he experienced firsthand the systemic racism and oppression that marginalized black individuals and communities. His father's activism and subsequent tragic death, along with his mother's mental health challenges, led him down a path of crime and incarceration. While serving a prison sentence, Malcolm X encountered the teachings of the Nation of Islam, a movement that promoted self-determination, empowerment, and the idea of black supremacy. Intrigued by its message, Malcolm X embraced the Nation of Islam's principles and converted to Islam while in prison. He also adopted the name Malcolm X, signifying his rejection of his slave name and his newfound identity as a black man proud of his heritage. Upon his release from prison, Malcolm X became a prominent figure within the Nation of Islam. His fiery speeches, eloquence, and commitment to racial separatism and self-defense earned him a following and a reputation as a powerful advocate for black rights. However, Malcolm X's journey took a transformative turn after his pilgrimage to Mecca in 1964. Experiencing the diversity and unity of Muslims from all walks of life, he underwent a profound change in his beliefs. He realized that true Islam embraced racial equality and brotherhood, a revelation that led him to disavow the racial separatism he had previously championed. Motivated by this new understanding, Malcolm X left the Nation of Islam and founded the Organization of Afro-American Unity. He focused on promoting cooperation among different racial and ethnic groups to achieve equality and justice. Tragically, his evolving beliefs and increasing influence led to tensions within the Nation of Islam, and he was assassinated on February 21, 1965. Malcolm X's motivational story is one of redemption, growth, and unwavering dedication to seeking truth and justice. His conversion to Islam, coupled with his pilgrimage to Mecca, expanded his perspective and transformed him into a visionary leader who believed in unity and equality for all. His legacy continues to inspire individuals worldwide to challenge injustice, confront their biases, and work toward a more just and inclusive society.